case study is a powerful and widely used method in academic, business, and professional settings to analyze and document a specific subject in depth. It is a valuable tool for gaining insights, understanding complex scenarios, and presenting real-life examples to support research or marketing efforts. Whether you are a student, researcher, or marketing professional, learning how to write an effective case study can greatly enhance your ability to communicate ideas and findings. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of crafting a compelling and informative case study. Selecting a relevant topic. The first step in writing a case study is to choose a relevant and engaging topic. Ideally, the subject should be related to your field of study or business industry and address an issue, challenge, or success story that is worth exploring in depth. Consider selecting a topic that has practical implications and provides value to your audience. Identify the purpose and objectives. Before diving into the research and writing process, clearly define the purpose and objectives of your case study. Determine whether your goal is to highlight a problem and propose a solution, analyze a successful project, or explore the impact of a specific strategy. Having a well-defined purpose will help keep your case study focused and on track. Conduct background research. Thoroughly research the subject of your case study. Use a variety of reliable sources, such as academic papers, industry reports, and credible websites, to gather relevant information. Take notes on key data, facts, and important insights that will serve as the foundation of your case study. Identify the key stakeholders. Identify the main individuals or entities involved in the case study. These stakeholders could be individuals, organizations, businesses, or even communities. Understanding the key players and their roles will help you structure your case study and provide context for the readers. Outline your case study. Organize the information you have gathered and create an outline for your case study. A typical case study structure includes the following sections. A. Introduction. Provide an overview of the case study, introduce the subject and the key stakeholders involved. B. Background. Present relevant background information about the subject, including its history, context, and any significant events leading up to the situation. C. Problem statement. Clearly state the problem or challenge faced by the subject of the case study. Be specific and use data to support your statements. D. Analysis. This is the core of your case study, where you analyze the problem, its causes, and its effects. Use evidence, statistics, and expert opinions to support your analysis. E. Solutions. Propose practical and effective solutions to the problem. Explain why these solutions are appropriate and how they can be implemented. F. Results. Present the outcomes of the implemented solutions. Use data and measurable results to demonstrate the success or failure of the strategies. G. Conclusion. Summarize the key points of your case study and reiterate the main takeaways. Gather and present supporting data. To add credibility and depth to your case study, include supporting data and evidence. Use charts, graphs, and relevant statistics to illustrate key points. Ensure that all data is accurate and properly cited from reputable sources. Include real-life examples and quotes. Whenever possible, incorporate real-life examples and quotes from the stakeholders involved. These personal accounts add authenticity and humanize the case study, making it more relatable to readers. Write clearly and concisely. When writing your case study, use clear and concise language. Avoid unnecessary jargon and technical terms, and make sure your writing is accessible to a broader audience. Review and edit. Once you have completed the initial draft, review your case study carefully. Check for coherence, flow, and consistency of information. Edit for grammar, punctuation, and formatting errors. Seek feedback. Before finalizing your case study, seek feedback from peers, colleagues, or professors. Their insights can help you refine your work and ensure that your case study is well structured and effectively communicates your message. Conclusion. Writing a case study requires meticulous research, planning, and organization. When executed effectively, a case study can serve as a compelling and persuasive tool for academia, business, or marketing purposes. By following this step-by-step guide, you will be well equipped to craft a comprehensive and impactful case study that not only showcases your expertise but also contributes valuable knowledge to your field or industry. Remember, a well-written case study has the potential to influence decision-making and drive positive change.